Hello, so my name is Hugo, and today I'll be showing you what is Ironverse. So Ironverse is a sort of a game that I started developing. If you go on ironverse.com, you can actually download the development builds if you want to try it out. I'm on a Mac, so I'll just go ahead and download the Mac one. So this is how you can actually follow along how development's progressing, so you can see like all the latest features that I put in, and yeah. So you'll have a zip file. You'll go ahead and extract it. Same thing on the Windows, and you'll end up with a folder once you've extracted it. And inside of that folder, on Mac it's just the one file, but on Windows you'll also have like a data folder. You just have to make sure that the data folder stays in the same folder as the exe. You can go ahead and launch that. So once you launch that, you can go ahead and open on Mac. On Windows, you'll have a similar pop-up saying probably that the application is not signed, which is fine. I haven't done that yet, so you could go ahead and open it. Once you open it, you'll have something like this. You can probably just leave stuff as default. You can change the quality if you want. It won't actually make a big difference. Eventually I'll get to working on this part, but yeah, for now I'll just go ahead and leave the default. So I come up here on the sign-in screen. I'm gonna go ahead and create a new account. So I'll click on sign up. It's gonna ask for an email. For now, I'll just put something random. It doesn't actually ask you to confirm your email yet, so if you just want to try this out, you can just put whatever you want. So I'll sign up, and it automatically logs me in once the account's created. Here you get to a screen where you can select the world you want to play or create one. So what Ironverse is it's basically a platform where you can create your own online worlds using modular pieces that have been created by other people. So it allows you to, well, the idea is that it will be an easy way to create worlds without spending a lot of time on it, and without requiring a lot of technical skills. So I'll just go ahead and select this first world here that I've created on another account previously. And you can see that the terrain is loading. Terrain is actually generated procedurally, so this is all randomly generated, and you can actually keep going forever in any direction. It's virtually infinite. This is an online world, so if someone else signs in, I'll actually see them come in here and walk you around as well. If I press the escape button, I toggle a little menu up here. So I'm just going to open that up. This is going to change, but this is a little bit how it works. I mentioned earlier how you can piece together your world using different modules. Each module will have a URL, probably on github.com. and you'll be able to basically take the pieces that you want to create your world. Um, for example, there may be one for how the terrain generates, maybe another for um, how how players can fight each other, or if you have a combat system or something like that. You may have one for how the inventory system works if you had something like that. So really flexible and easy to share different modules that you create with other people. So I think right now I'll go ahead and maybe I'll open up another copy of the game on my other screen here, and we can actually see the two players um, interacting in the same environment. Just bear with me for a second here. I don't have a great computer. Hopefully, it won't slow things down too much that I'll be running two copies of the game. So we'll see. I'll go ahead and create another one. I'll join the same world. So I can see my other account logged in just right up there up ahead. Let's see, maybe I can show the other one. I really should have opened it on the other screen, but whatever. Okay, so you can see that. There are quite a few bugs that I've already fixed in the next version coming out soon. Um, some interesting things that I'm working on that will be out in the next version is you'll actually be able to uh, break pieces of the terrain and um, place bits of terrain as well. Uh, in a similar fashion to kind of like in Minecraft, how you have cubes and you can break them and place new cubes. Well, some idea with this terrain, it's actually a grid of hexagonal prisms that is the underlying data structure of the environment. So you'll be able to dig caves and build stuff as well. Um, yeah. So this is Ironverse. Yeah. All right. Well, if you have any feedback or any ideas you want to share or you think this is cool, I definitely recommend joining the. I set up a Discord server. Um, you can come on there and we can chat. I love getting feedback and yeah, that would be great. So let's see if I can get the invite link. I also have a Patreon page. I think the link is actually on there as well. Patreon. Oops, no .com there. So what Patreon is, that's a way you can support projects that you like. So you can actually get rewards if you want to support me on this project. See, I'm just gonna go find the link. Yeah, so I have the Discord link here. You should also see it in the description of this video, or probably on the stream somewhere. Or, yeah, I'll make sure to post this link in more places. But just go on this link. If you don't have a Discord account, you'll be able to create one. If you already have one, great. You'll have access to the server. So you'll be able to come on here and chat and yeah. All right. Well, let me know what you think, both good and bad. Leave a comment or send a message on Discord. I look forward to hearing from you guys. So, thanks for watching, and see you next time.